Welcome to Exam Heist, your trusted partner in certification success. We provide comprehensive study materials, available both online and offline. We're here to guide you every step of the way. From in-depth PDF guides to structured practice sets, we covered all essential questions to help you in certificating. You'll always have the right resources at your fingertips. Download the PDFs, take practice tests, and connect with our expert support team. Interactive online practice support, so you can test yourself anytime, anywhere. Exam-ready PDFs, carefully curated with essential questions. Top performers consistently rely on Exam Heist. With thousands of learners already certified, we've built a reputation for quality and trust. Expert assistance, where certified professionals are available to answer your queries. And most importantly, content that stays up to date with the latest exam patterns. Start today, and move one step closer to your certification success. So don't wait. Give your preparation the winning edge with Exam Heist. Visit examheist.com now. Exam Heist, your journey to success starts here.
Question 1. Which two statements are true concerning the installation and configuration of the bootloader by the Anaconda installer, which is then used to boot Oracle Linux? Option A. The Linux loader, LILO, bootloader may be chosen for installation. Option B. The bootloader must be password protected and Anaconda prompts for a password in all cases. Option C. The Grand Unified Bootloader, GRUB, is the only bootloader used by Oracle Linux. Option D. If previously installed operating systems are found on disk partitions that were not overwritten, then an attempt is made to configure the bootloader to be able to boot them. Option E. The bootloader is installed by default in the first partition of the disk. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. The Linux loader, LILO, bootloader may be chosen for installation. Option E. The bootloader is installed by default in the first partition of the disk. Question 2. You want to display the value of a shell variable called service after assigning a value as shown. Service equals ACCTS, which two settings will display the name of the variable and its value. Option A. Set, grep service. Option B. Echo $service. Option C. env, grep service. Option D. env $service. Option E. Set $service. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option B. Echo $service. Option C. env, grep service. Visit examheist.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Exam Heist. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.